Christmas is here, my favorite time of the year, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my showstopper custard and strawberry cake. I'm going to start off with my eggs and sugar. I'm going to beat that together, and what that does is it adds all that air into your cake for a light and fluffy cake. Now we're going to add the rest of our wet ingredients: vanilla, our milk, oil. And then to this, we're going to add our dry ingredients, cake flour and our baking powder. Be careful not to overmix. So you're going to pour your cake batter into 2 baking trays and bake that in a 180-degree oven. So while our cake is baking in the oven, we're going to make our custard filling. Super easy to make. I'm going to make mine from scratch, but if you don't have time, you can use ready-made. It's just as delicious. So in my bowl, I'm going to add some custard powder, some sugar, 1 egg. And then in here, I'm going to add a little warm milk. And then this will also help to raise the temperature here so that it's not too much of a shock. When I put it in here, we don't want scrambled eggs. And there we go. How easy was that? Time to assemble. Starting with the first layer, and on that goes my custard. And then on top of that goes our strawberries. The goal is to have them peeking out on the sides. A final layer of gorgeous custard. We're also going to top with a bit of some whipped cream and then more strawberries. Dust some icing sugar and we're done. The perfect centerpiece for any Christmas table. Enjoy!